Good morning, first one of the day. New client with his recently purchased BMW R1300 GS. This is in for one of our full ceramic packages. This is going to get everything thrown at it. Snow foam safe wash just to remove any contaminants. We'll get it in the studio. I will blow dry every bit of moisture out of this bike. We're then going to do a two-stage machine polish on all this stunning bodywork. I will remove these windscreens, all these little spoilers. Those are all going to get polished. Every nook and cranny of this bike is going to get meticulously cleaned, and then we're going to airbrush the signature 4K ceramic. Every nook and cranny of this bike is going to get coated. All your wheels, suspension linkages, frame, up underneath the seat, all the bodywork, like I said, all the motor, calipers, everything is going to get coated. That is a 5-year ceramic protection, making sure to keep this stunning bit of kit looking its finest for years to come. First step, let's get it washed, get a bit of snow foam on it, loosen up all these contaminants. No sense in putting any ceramic on a bike that's got bits and pieces. We've got some ingrained bugs on it already. Like I said, I will remove all these. They're going to get machine polished before we apply any ceramic. So let's get cracking, let's get some snow foam on it, and then we'll get it in the studio and crack on with a bit of detail. Okay, BMW GS is now fully washed, decontaminated, and thoroughly blow dried, making sure to remove any moisture from the switch gears, etc. Windscreen's all been removed. I'm going to do a two-stage machine polish on all this gorgeous bodywork. I know it's a new bike, but it's already got a few imperfections, so we're going to polish that up. We're going to polish up that windscreen and all those little spoilers. And then we're going to crack on with the application of the ceramic. We're going to use the Signature 4K Signature Pro ceramic, which will airbrush on all the bits and pieces of the motor, all the frame, all up underneath, all behind the windscreen. Everything's going to get covered. We will apply it by hand to the wheels and to the bodywork, making sure to keep this bike properly protected for the years to come, and hopefully make it easy to keep clean. Let's get cracking with a bit of polishing, and then we'll crack on with the application of the ceramic. This BMW GS1300 Trophy Edition has now been fully trotted. Look at the freaking gloss on that. This has had one of our full works protection packages. As you've been following along, snow foam safe wash, all the polishing, two-stage polish on all the bodywork. I removed all those little spoilers, the windscreen, they've all had a good polish. Reinstalled, we airbrushed the Signature 4K Signature Pro ceramic on every nook and cranny, all the wheels, calipers, all your center stand, all your frame, all your motor, everything has been misted with the Signature Pro ceramic. That's a 5 years worth of protection. All the bodywork has been coated with the Signature 4K Signature Quartz ceramic. That is a self-healing ceramic. I've done 2 layers on all the bodywork, windscreen, That should help with any minor scratches in the future and keep it looking its finest. Look at the gloss on that, absolutely gleaming. What a stunning bit of kit. This is the best time to get your bike done when it's new. Give us a buzz, we're open 6 days a week. We do a satisfaction guaranteed service. 07966 249 963.